So friends, let's see today's viral hack of this whole wheat wrap. Now first I'm going to be preparing the simple pav bhaji without any potatoes. So I'm just going to prep up the veggies. I've used one small tomato, one small onion and one small capsicum. So this is, you can prepare this the day ahead, chop the veggies and keep, make the bhaji and keep, or you can do it in the morning itself. It takes hardly any time. So just chop the veggies in this way, all even sized. So in this way, you can get your family to eat all vegetables. You can add even some more, veggies which you normally do if you're making a pav bhaji. I'm not adding potato for this. I'm just adding tomatoes, onions, and capsicum. You can make this wrap with any leftover vegetable. Suppose you have some potato bhaji made or some interesting, vegetable which your kids love. You can make this wrap with that too for their tiffins or for a quick snack. This is a very versatile dish. I'm showing this for beginners, basically how to chop veggies. Now I'm just taking a pan and I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of oil. We're also going to need 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of pav bhaji masala or as per your liking, and some salt to taste, and some coriander as well. Now once our oil is hot, we are first going to add our onions and we're going to fry the onions till they're nice and translucent. By translucent, I mean they have to change from a pink color to a very pale white color, just like this. Once that happens, you're going to add your ginger garlic paste. You can use the store-bought one, or you can make some ginger garlic paste. Just take half an inch of ginger, about 2 large cloves of garlic, and mash them up into a paste. Now I'm going to add my capsicum and I'm going to fry the capsicum really well. We don't want to fry the capsicum too much though. We want to let it have a little bit of a crunch. So you can add your, whatever your kids, their favorite vegetable in this pav bhaji as well. Then I'm going to add the tomato and we're going to fry and the coriander. So now our veggies are in, but we want them to cook a little bit because we don't want them to be extra raw. Now I'm going to add the pav bhaji masala and mix it well. Now we're going to add some salt to taste. Again mix everything. And now because we want our veggies to cook a little, I'm just going to add about 1/4 cup of water. We don't want them to have that raw taste because we are adding the pav bhaji masala. If you don't add water, then the pav bhaji masala, you'll still get that powdery taste. Now we're going to cook this for about 5 minutes. So I'm just adding a little more water, about 4 tablespoons more of water. And now we're going to dry up the mixture on a very low flame, stirring in intervals. We want a dryish kind of a veggie, not, it shouldn't have any kind of water or curries. We're just going to let it dry for about 5 minutes on a low flame. So now I'm just going to make a whole wheat roti, chapati, poli, whatever you call it at your home. We say poli at our home. So you can make it, in the normal way that you make polis, and then just roast it on your tawa. And once it's done, I'm just going to add a few drops of ghee so that it remains nice and soft. Now our pav bhaji is also nice and ready. This is the consistency we want. We don't want it to be dry, extremely wet or extremely dry, just like this. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a pizza cutter. You can also use a knife. Okay, this is the bhaji. This is just a sauce of your choice. Some shredded cheese. and 1 onion. Now I have just mixed up tomato ketchup and a little bit of sriracha. Now I'm using a pizza cutter. You can use a knife. Just cut it in this fashion. Basically, you should have, it should look like this. Now what I'm going to do, now we have 4 parts of this puri. So to one part, I'm going to be adding this pav bhaji which we just prepared, and I'm just going to spread it out. You can follow any sequence. Now in the second other part, I'm going to add some cheese. You can add a cheese slice also if you don't have shredded cheese. Now I'm just going to apply some sauce on the third part, and I'm going to apply put some onion. You can also add some bell peppers, chopped bell peppers. Now I'm going to lift the first part gently, put it over the second part over the third part over the fourth. And if any of the filling comes up, just restuff it and press it down. Now we want to, just roast it a little bit, or toast it rather, on the tawa. So I'm going to put it on my tawa, and I'm just going to drizzle a few drops of ghee so that it comes nice and crispy on the outside. The cheese melts with the heat. So press it down, and it should be nice and golden brown on both sides. And that's it, guys. Your lovely viral hack pav bhaji wrap is all ready. This is a great tiffin item, a great light lunch item, and you can fill it up with anything. I also have another similar recipe using chicken. Here I'm using pav bhaji. The choices are endless. So I hope you try out this recipe.
Well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye, and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye. Take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.